Halina sa Kids Casina.
This is Kids Casina. Today we're making shortbread cookies.
That's
here we have is
tasty.
Here we have is plain flour. You have to put 300 grams of plain flour.
But don't eat a roll though.
Yeah, don't eat a roll. And we're gonna put some sugar inside. But we already put 150 grams of sugar. Then we're now gonna put the butter. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna put this aside. Like get the butter. You can choose any butter, it's fine. So you have to get 200 grams of butter. So this is how you do it. Get the butter. Put it on here. 380 grams. So guys, we're gonna take 200. So this has to be like 100 grams. Oh yeah. Pick it up.
Butter. Just butter.
Yeah, so this is gonna take a very long time. How much butter do we need? We need a lot of butter.
This is butter.
A lot of butter.
Butter and
So now, guys, you have to put 200 grams of butter. So now we're gonna mix it, I guess. So
biscuit.
I need spatula. Oh, I need spatula.
Flour don't really taste nice.
Okay, I just need a spoon. This will be good enough.
Mix it.
Mix it. Guys, you have to mix it, okay? So let's mix it. So then when you finish mixing, you can use your hands and just mix it into...
And also you can mix it with your hand.
You can shape it.
You can mix it with your hand, mix it with something.
So now when it is ready, you butter the tin, then you're going to put the thing in, and then you're just going to mold the thing on. Okay, so I'm just going to shape it now.
We're actually making cookies,
so guys, we're going to make guys, it's shaping. Bite into this bit. So you just have to make it like this, and pat it down, and done. One cookie made. So when you're all done shaping it, you put it in the oven for 25 minutes.
And don't forget to wash your hands.
As you might think it's burnt, but it's not burnt. It's toasted. It's because if it's toasted, it'll be all black, and you won't be able to eat it. It'll be all crumbly. So anyway, these things are saved, burnt. Well, not really burnt. Toasted. So as you can see, guys, this is the definition. So guys, if you haven't cooked it yet, don't put it for 25 minutes. Put it for 20 or less. Actually, don't put it for 20. Put 15 because that's a bit too high. I'm sorry, guys. I heated it too hot. It's okay. Yeah, but fine. So this is the next one. As you can see, we didn't have enough, and now we put this for 15 since these ones got burnt or toasted. And here you go. It's nice, fluffy. And it's tasty. It's hot still, but you have to leave for a bit. It looks nice. Still got stuck. This one. Hey, warm up better. Yeah. So anyway, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And please subscribe down below and put a thumbs up. And bye. I'm not burnt. I am toasted.